Hello guys, here we are again at number 10 with our 2023 KQ projections. Paper 2 is still on at number 10 that reads solve for x in half log 81 base 2 plus log 2 base 2 of x squared minus a third x, which is equivalent to 1. So going straight to the solution, the first step will be to convert the integer 1 into logarithmic notation. So there's a number x we don't know to base 2 that should give us 1. So converting this into index notation, we shall have 2 power 1 is equal to x, and therefore x becomes a 2. So therefore, now that an integer was mixed with the logs, now instead of writing 1, it ought to have been log of base 2 of 2, or log 2 base 2. That is what is equivalent to 1. So rewriting our equation, we shall be having half of log 81 base 2 plus log of base 2 of x squared minus a third x now should be equivalent to log of 2 base 2. So our equation is now completely in one format, and therefore we go straight to our procedure 1 now, where excuse me, as we solve through, we have to obey the law of logarithms. So the first step will be to rewrite this into obeying law 3. So I'll be having log of 81 power half. Instead of writing half as the coefficient, I'll have it as the power, plus log of base 2 of x squared minus a third x is equal to log of 2 base 2. So one step at a time, one step at a time. So the next thing, I would have one common log this side of base 2. Now 81 power half is square root of 81, which is 9. Square root of 81 is 9, times, there we are obeying the law. When the logs are added, then we are going to multiply. So times, that is x squared minus a third x should be equivalent to log of base 2 of 2. So this is now log of base 2 of 9x squared minus 3x. If I break the bracket, should also be equivalent to log of 2 base 2. So dropping the logs, what do I have now? I will be having, therefore, now because this log of base 2 represents the other log of base 2, then it means their products, or whatever we have here, should be equivalent to what we have here. In short, what I mean, if log of x is equal to log of y, then log represents log, and therefore x is equivalent to y. So this is a whole of my x, and this is a whole of my y. So therefore, we drop the logs, and therefore 9x squared minus 3x also is true to say that it is equivalent to 2. So this is a quadratic equation where 2 shall come this side to be a minus. So what do we have therefore? So we can solve by any method, and we'll choose formula, quadratic formula, that is minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, that is to give us the value of x. So my b here is minus 3. So minus 3 into minus 1 plus or minus minus 3 squared will be a 9 minus 4 into minus 2 times 9 all over 2 times 9. A is 9 and C is negative 2. So having that, we shall be having 3 plus or minus square root of, this is 9 plus, because when you open the bracket, minus minus will give me a plus of, this is 872 all over 18. So coming over this side, I will be able to reduce my equation to 3. So x is 3 plus or minus root 81 all over 18. So there we are. So we shall be having, therefore, root 81 is 9 all over 18. So taking 3 plus 9, we shall be having 12 all over 18. Common factor is 6 goes there too. 6 goes here into 18 3 times. So value of x is 2 over 3, or if I took a minus of 9, then I will have minus 6 over 18, which is minus a third. Because 6 goes there 1, 6 goes here 3. So my true values of x are 2 over 3 or negative a third. So friends, you can work out this very easily, and as you can follow all through from where we came from, our question number 10. What a good question, and you can't afford to miss this. Please, my student, don't let me down. I'm doing this to help you make a difference, because I don't think you can miss this question in the exam. Questions of log, you can do as many as you can, even to 10. Then you will become a master. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.